What is a firewall? In order to keep your computer safe from unauthorized people or sites, firewall is the best option. A firewall is either a hardware or software or combination of both hardware and software. So students, let's see what is the firewall exactly do. A firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a computer or even to a private network of computers. A firewall works as per the rule set up inside. The sites that meet those rules get access to or from the computer within a firewall and others are denied to access. Now next and last topic is digital footprints. A common comparison of digital footprints is the footprints you leave behind you when you walk along a beach. Every step you take leaves an impression on the sandy surface that allow another person to see the marks that your activity has made and offers the possibility for them to follow your trail. So, digital footprints are also referred as digital tattoos. Your interaction on social media, your friend circle on social media sites, sites you visit, online purchases, locations you visited, through the Facebook check ins, etc., all make up your digital footprints. So, basically, students, digital footprints are the records and traces individuals leave behind as they use the internet. So your digital footprints are eventually fade away. Okay, वो मिट जाती है time to time. But any electronic event in general that doesn't work the same way. It is safe to assume that anything you do, publish or post online may be there permanently and won't be washed away. Okay, so basically digital footprints are the records and traces individuals' activities as they use on internet. Digital footprints are the permanently stored records. So why it is stored? Because you might have seen nowadays with the help of this digital footprint so many criminals can be caught. Now here you can see there's some common risks that are related to posting stuff online. So publishing personal information that leads you to the online bullying or harassment that we have seen. Other than that, you are sharing your images or videos, people can use it to blackmail you. Publishing personal or business related information that might be used for social engineering attack, and publishing or sharing information also harm to your reputation. So, what are the caution one should remember while you are posting your stuff online? So, the internet is an open source. So, while you post something, anyone on internet, if you are sharing something with your friends to see, think about how your family, teachers, and classmates might react on that post. Other than that, even if you change your mind and delete the things, in between that time, things you post online can be copied, saved, or shared by other people. Personal insults, threats, or discrimination online can get you into trouble with the law. So, what are the actions we can take to keep away from this digital footprints? So, we have to follow the things like always log out from the sites you have visited after finishing your work. Be careful about what you are sharing or publish online. Your personal information are very important, so do not share it without anyone's consult. Manage your privacy settings. Manage your reputation. Evaluate that what are the impact could be when publishing a photo, status update, comment or review. Before doing or posting anything, stop and think about the effect it could have on you and those around you in longer term.